Hi, everyone. So I thought you might be a little sick of seeing my face, so I decided to change it up. All right, so what we're doing here is we're going to look at how to add students to an already existing workspace. Now, remember, this step is after you have created or synced a classroom in. So if you don't have any classrooms currently in your Hapara, then this is kind of irrelevant for you. But if you do have classrooms in or you're planning on putting classrooms in, by all means, go ahead and follow along and try this for yourself. So I'm in my main workspace dashboard here. I'm going to click on this workspace that we've been working on. This is the one I copied. It's Ahoy Grade 2 Tapson. It's still in progress, so I'm just going to go here. Open up this, fix my mustache while we're waiting. All right, so here we have the workspace is open. I have it here. And so now you see here that in this corner, or sorry, in the left-hand navigation, we do not have any groups here. So I have no students added to this workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create Groups. So what opens up when I do that is this section here. And here we have where I can search for a student that's in one of my classrooms. So I put my own kids in there, so I can maybe go Andrew, and it's going to come up. There's Andrew Tapson, and he is in those two classes listed there. So those are the two classes I have synced. Another option to get students in is I can just add a whole class. So I'm going to take this Tapson is awesome class. This is the one that I entered just going through Hapara and putting in the EDU accounts. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to drag it over here and drop it in this new group box. And so there you can see the two students that are in my classroom are automatically entered into there. Now I can say, you know what, I want both of these classes working on this workspace. So I'm going to take the other one and I'm also going to drag it in and drop it in. And you see it auto-populates the other two kids. So in this whole Tapson class, I have 4 students. I have Andrew, Bella, Hannah, and Marcus. And in this Tapson is awesome, I just have the 2. So you see when I dropped them in, it didn't duplicate Marcus and Andrew. It just kind of knew they were already there and added the other 2. So in this group, I now officially have 4 members. And I can go and I can edit the group and change the color of it. Okay. I can edit it and change the name. So I can put Pool Tapson class. Okay. Spelled my name wrong. There we go. And so there I have this group. Now I can add multiple groups as well, or maybe I say, you know, Hannah's in grade 12. These ones are in grade 6 and 7. I want her on her own. So I'm going to just take her, and I'm going to drag her, and I'm going to put her in a group of her own. So there we go. And then I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to call it the HT grade 12 group. Whoops, grade 21. Grade 12 group. All right, so now I have both of these groups that are assigned to this workspace. So you can see right now, in previous ones, we had gone over this top navigation here where I have workspace, students, or groups, that I'm working inside the students and groups section. So now if I go back to the workspace, I'll just give it a second to do that. Go back to the workspace and I can see here that my groups, the 2 that are added, so I have those 3 there and Hannah there, and they are added. And if I look at the cards now, you notice that it says all groups. Okay, so that means that each of these cards is viewable by all groups. So that's a really good thing to notice. All right, thank you very much. See you in the next video.